Humanity Elevated, Future-Proofing Your Career in the Digital Age Study Guide. Key terms: glossary, term definition, plain English, action planning framework, a structured approach to identifying and bridging the gap between your current state and your desired future state. It involves analyzing your current position, visualizing your future goals, identifying gaps, and developing strategies. A roadmap for achieving your career goals. AI literacy, the understanding of fundamental AI and ML concepts, enabling individuals to critically evaluate AI applications, identify potential biases, and engage in informed discussions about the ethical implications of these technologies. Knowing enough about AI to understand its impact and use it responsibly. Career trajectory, the path your career has taken, including your past roles, responsibilities, and achievements. It provides context for your current position and helps you project future career moves. The story of your career so far. Cross-cultural competence, the ability to interact effectively and respectfully with people from different cultures in both physical and digital environments. It includes understanding cultural nuances, communication styles, and building trust across cultural boundaries. The skills to work well with people from different backgrounds, especially in a global and digital world. Data competency, the ability to understand, analyze, and communicate data effectively. It includes data collection, processing, interpretation, visualization, and applying data-driven insights to decision-making processes. Being comfortable with data, and using it to make better decisions. Digital literacy, the ability to use digital technologies effectively and responsibly. It encompasses a range of skills, including basic computer literacy, internet navigation, online communication, information evaluation, and cybersecurity awareness. Being comfortable and safe in the digital world. Digital transformation, the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business or organization, fundamentally changing how it operates and delivers value to customers. It often involves changes to business processes, culture, and customer interactions. Using technology to change how a business works. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and the emotions of others. It involves self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Being smart about emotions, both your own and those of others. Future of work, the ongoing transformation of the workplace driven by technological advancements, demographic shifts, and evolving societal values. It encompasses changes in job roles, skills demand, work arrangements, and the nature of employment itself. How work is changing because of technology and other factors. Gig economy, a labor market characterized by the prevalence of short-term contracts or freelance work as opposed to permanent jobs. It offers flexibility but also presents challenges in terms of job security and benefits. Working on a project-by-project basis, often as a freelancer or independent contractor. Hybrid work, a work model that combines elements of remote work and traditional office-based work. Employees have the flexibility to work from different locations while maintaining some level of in-person interaction and collaboration. A mix of working from home and working in the office. Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by the fusion of physical and digital worlds through technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, and advanced automation. The next phase of industrialization, where smart machines and systems are connected. Learning agility, the ability to learn new things quickly and effectively, adapt to changing environments, and apply acquired knowledge to solve problems. Being a fast and adaptable learner. Machine learning, ML, a subset of artificial intelligence that involves training algorithms to learn patterns and make predictions from data, without explicit programming. It enables computers to improve their performance on tasks through experience. Teaching computers to learn from data. Personal brand, the unique combination of skills, experience, and personality that defines you as a professional. It's how you present yourself to the world and how others perceive you in the professional context. Your professional reputation and how you market yourself. Portfolio career, a career strategy that involves pursuing multiple income streams or roles simultaneously. It offers flexibility and diversification but requires strong time management and organizational skills. Having multiple jobs or income sources instead of one traditional job. Remote work, a work arrangement where employees perform their duties outside of a traditional office environment, typically from home or a co-working space. It leverages technology for communication and collaboration, offering flexibility and autonomy. Working from anywhere, not just the office. Security awareness, the understanding of cybersecurity threats and best practices for protecting digital assets and personal information. It includes knowledge of malware, phishing scams, data breaches, and safe online behaviors. Being aware of the risks in the digital world and knowing how to stay safe. Skills gap, the difference between the skills an individual possesses, and the skills required for a particular job or industry. It can arise from technological advancements, changing job requirements, or a lack of professional development. The skills you need but don't have yet. Soft skills, personal attributes that enhance an individual's interactions, job performance, and career prospects. Examples include communication, teamwork, problem solving, critical thinking, and adaptability. People skills that help you succeed in any job. Technical skills, specific abilities and knowledge related to a particular field, profession, or technology. They are often acquired through formal education, training programs, or on-the-job experience. The hard skills you need to do a specific job. T-shaped skills, a skill set that combines deep expertise in a specific area, the vertical bar of the T, with a broad understanding of other related disciplines, the horizontal bar. It emphasizes both specialization and the ability to work across domains. Being an expert in one area but also having a good understanding of other areas. Upskilling, the process of acquiring new skills or enhancing existing ones to remain competitive in the job market or advance in one's career. It often involves formal training programs, online courses, or on-the-job learning experiences. Learning new skills to stay relevant in your job or move up in your career. Work-life integration, a holistic approach to balancing work and personal life that focuses on blending the two rather than strictly separating them. It aims to create synergy between professional and personal responsibilities, values, and goals. Finding a way to make work and life fit together well. Quiz 1. Explain the concept of the T-shaped skills model, and its relevance to hybrid professionals. 2. Describe 3 key elements of a strong personal brand in the digital age. 3. What are 2 essential components of a successful remote team dynamic? 3. Provide examples of how these components can be implemented. 4. Outline the steps involved in creating sustainable income streams in a portfolio career. 5. Explain the importance of incorporating self-care practices into a portfolio career strategy. 6. Describe 3 key benefits of developing a growth mindset for career success. 7. What are 3 strategies for creating and monetizing digital products as part of a portfolio career? 8. Outline the process for integrating multiple professional roles effectively in a portfolio career. 9. Explain the importance of data competency in future-proofing your career. 9. Provide examples of how data competency can be applied in the workplace. 10. Describe 3 key strategies for embracing global opportunities in your career development. Quiz answer key. 1. T-shaped skills model. This model emphasizes developing deep expertise in a specific area, vertical bar, while also having a broad understanding of related disciplines, horizontal bar. 1. Hybrid professionals benefit from this model as it allows them to collaborate effectively with diverse teams, bridge knowledge gaps, and contribute to innovation across domains. 2. Strong personal brand. 3 key elements are: 1. Expertise signature. Define a specific niche that highlights your unique skills and knowledge. 2. Value proposition, clearly communicate the benefits you offer to clients or employers. 3. Digital presence, cultivate a professional online presence that showcases your expertise and brand message. 1. Remote team dynamics, 2 essential components are: 1. Clear communication, establish regular communication channels, utilize collaborative tools, and encourage open dialogue. 1. Example, daily team stand-ups and use of project management platforms. 2. Social connection, facilitate virtual team building activities and informal communication to foster camaraderie. 2. Example, virtual coffee breaks or online team games. 1. Sustainable income streams, steps include: 1. Identify potential streams, analyze skills and market demand to pinpoint viable income sources. 2. Implement and test, start small, test the viability of each stream, and refine based on results. 3. Optimize and scale, focus on efficiency and profitability once a stream proves successful, then look for ways to scale it up. 1. Self-care, in a portfolio career, self-care prevents burnout, maintains productivity, and supports mental well-being. 1. It allows for sustained focus and energy across multiple roles and commitments. 2. Growth mindset, a growth mindset. 1. Fosters resilience, allows you to view setbacks as learning opportunities. 2. Promotes continuous learning, encourages actively seeking new knowledge and skills. 3. Increases adaptability, makes you more open to change and new challenges. 1. Digital products, strategies for creation and monetization include: 1. Online courses, package your expertise into structured courses and sell them through platforms. 2. E-books or guides, create valuable content and sell it in a digital format. 3. Templates or tools, develop resources that solve specific problems and sell them to a targeted audience. 1. Integrating roles, the process involves: 1. Role definition, clearly outline responsibilities and goals for each role. 2. Time management, optimize time allocation across roles. 3. Value creation, identify synergies between roles to maximize output. 4. Synergy development, seek opportunities to leverage skills and knowledge across roles. 1. Data competency, data competency is essential in future-proofing your career as data analysis and interpretation are increasingly valued across industries. 1. It helps in making informed decisions, identifying trends, and solving complex problems. 1. Examples: a marketing professional uses data to analyze campaign performance, or a financial analyst leverages data to make investment recommendations. 2. Global opportunities, strategies include: 1. Developing cultural intelligence, understanding cultural differences to work effectively in diverse environments. 2. Learning languages, enhancing your communication skills in relevant languages. 3. Building a global network, connecting with professionals from different countries and regions. Essay questions. 1. Analyze the impact of Industry 4.0 on the future of work, discussing the challenges and opportunities it presents for individuals and organizations. 2. Evaluate the importance of continuous learning and upskilling in navigating the evolving job market and maintaining career relevance in the digital age. 3. Discuss the role of emotional intelligence in fostering effective teamwork and leadership in both traditional and remote work environments. 4. Analyze the advantages and disadvantages of pursuing a portfolio career, considering factors such as work-life balance, financial stability, and career development. 5. Develop a comprehensive strategy for future-proofing your career in the digital age, addressing key areas such as skill development, personal branding, and networking.